Hey, welcome back to Cuphead's Art, and let's draw the creepy little penguins in the Beppi the Clown stage in Cuphead. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this penguin, and to begin we're going to draw his face first. So we're going to draw one little corner like this, one little angle. Okay, and then underneath it, we're gonna draw the eye. So we're gonna draw one curve. It's kind of like an egg shape. Then just give it a little bit of angle right there. Let me clean up this line. Okay, so on the other side as well, just from this line here, right underneath, we're gonna draw. Okay, and then we're gonna close it off. And let me shade it in. It's kind of a creepy little looking penguin. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the mouth, the beak. So right here, which is almost gonna be like the opposite as that little angle right there. And then now we're gonna close this off. Okay, and then we're gonna come down here. And it looks like, I'm not really sure, are these like teeth? So there's lines here, so. And then from there, we're gonna come, this is a little odd, but from the corner, we're gonna come out. And are these fangs? Actually, I'm not really sure. I'm working off a little screen capture here, and it looks like it's fangs, right? Must be fangs. Okay, so two little fangs like that, and now we're gonna finish off the face. So from this point here, we're just gonna come around, just curve it in. This side as well, just curve it in. Okay, and then we're gonna close it off. Just give it a slight curvature. So this is gonna be part of the clothing. Okay, so then from there we're gonna go. Let's continue this line. Just kind of come out. And now we can finish off the head. So this is just gonna be one big circle all the way around. Okay. So as best as you can, just follow that curvature inside. And that'll give us the head. All right, so now let's go down, and this is gonna be the little piece around his neck. Same as Beppi the Clown. So we're gonna come down, and then on this side, we're gonna curve out. And then now we're gonna close this because it wraps around the neck. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the little details here. So we're gonna draw two lines this way, and then we're gonna continue opposite. Other line, one more, and then on this side, just close it off. And then here, same thing. Just kind of zigzag all the way across. And we'll close it off right there. Okay, and then now we can finish off the body, which is gonna be pretty simple. We're just gonna come down. Let's see, it looks like there's two big buns here. So one circle, and then another circle on the bottom. Okay, and then now we can draw, let's see, let's come down. Just come down a little bit. And then we gotta draw the arms for it, which is gonna be pretty easy. So we're just gonna come out. I give it a little bit of a overlap there. Now we're gonna come back in. Okay, so that's one, and then on the other side, this one's gonna be going down. Then we're gonna come in. Again, a little bit of overlap. Okay, and then so we're gonna come down. And this side, we're gonna come down a little bit more. So now we can draw the legs. So it's gonna come out. And then we're gonna curve here. I know it's a little bit odd because it's kind of bending a little bit, right? And then now we're gonna finish off this line, just connect it all the way there. And now for his foot, just curve it. Okay, just kind of close it off there. Actually, that have to draw the bottom, but let's draw the other legs first. So on the other side of the leg, so we're going to draw one curve coming down, and this side is going to come all the way down. And now we can draw a little foot this way. It's a little bit tricky, there's all these weird curves going on. So now we can finish that off, just connect that, and then on the bottom here, just close it off. And that's it for this creepy penguin from Cuphead. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.